Okay, we're in the skid steer. I haven't started it in a day. It's about 65 degrees, so we'll see what happens here. Key in, turn it on, get the beep. I hear the fuel pump running. Well, that's strange. It won't start. Very strange. You know what? I have had nothing but problems out of this deal. It's getting a little ridiculous. All right, let's try it again. Keys off, everything's off. Get the beep. I can hear the fuel pump running. It won't turn over. Okay. Let's put it in again. Turn it, stop. Beeps, fuel pump is running. I'm not sure why that exclamation point is going, but well, it won't start. This is really not going to work out for me.